Hello and welcome to Top Headline, where we report on the hottest news of the day. The top headline for today is written by Bob Edelman, titled, "Trump Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh relies heavily on judicial precedents." The pick is in. President Donald Trump took the stage in prime time last night to announce that he is nominating Brett Kavanaugh to fill the seat on the United States Supreme Court opened by the retirement of Justice Anthony Kennedy. Trump's second Supreme Court nomination of his presidency has the potential to create a solid 5-4 conservative majority for decades to come. Kavanaugh, age 53, is a former aide to President George W. Bush and for the last 12 years has been serving on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit. Notably, he also worked for the independent counsel during the Whitewater investigation of President Bill Clinton. One of the biggest questions with this nomination is the issue of abortion. With an upcoming case about abortion to be considered by the court, some fear that a new anti-abortion justice would overturn the 1973 landmark decision of Roe v. Wade, which legalized the practice. In a New York Times article, Democratic Senate leader Chuck Schumer is quoted as saying that he will urge Democrats to ask Kavanaugh pointedly whether he will overturn the decision or if he will accept it as settled law. In the announcement of his nomination last night, Kavanaugh expressed his support for the Constitution. He stated, "An independent judiciary is the crown jewel of our constitutional republic." A USA Today article quoted him as saying, "A judge must interpret statutes as written, and a judge must interpret the Constitution as written, informed by history and tradition and precedent. Since the Constitution is the supreme law of the land, it must be simply obeyed and not interpreted. Interpretations can change based on man's fallible nature, but adherence to the document is black and white. They either obey it or they don't." Justice Kavanaugh's rhetoric largely supports the Constitution, although some of his decisions do not. It is unknown which Kavanaugh will appear on the Supreme Court. However, nominee Kavanaugh already faces a tough Senate confirmation battle. We'll keep a close eye on this, so be sure to head over to thenewamerican.com to read our coverage. While you're there, you can also sign up for our free Top Headlines email. Choose to receive it daily, weekly, or monthly. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.